Hi, I'm Madeline Brock, and I'm here to talk about Christmas. Did you know that there are 49 days left until Christmas? But don't panic, I'm here to help. I want to invite you to come with me on a journey of self-discovery, to look at Christmas and evaluate what you do during the holidays in the light of your deepest values. To do this, we'll be using the book Unplug the Christmas Machine by Joe Robinson and Jean Stahelli. It's a complete guide to putting love and joy back into the season. You know, many people find Christmas to be an overwhelming time on so many levels, emotionally, financially, spiritually, and often they find that Christmas doesn't really give them the fulfillment that they're longing for. Let me tell you how this book helped me. One year during a particularly frantic Christmas season, when I had 3 kids at home, a full-time job, and a husband who was working out of town, I had escaped to the bookstore to do some Christmas shopping. And I ran across this book, and I picked it up and opened it at random to this page. It was The Christmas Pledge. And this is how it read. Believing in the true spirit of Christmas, I commit myself to remember those people who truly need my gifts, express my love in more direct ways than gifts, examine my holiday activities in the light of my deepest values, be a peacemaker within my circle of family and friends, and rededicate myself to my spiritual growth. That last line leapt out at me. I couldn't remember the last time that I had even thought about my spiritual growth during Christmas. I bought that book and took it home, and as I read it, I realized that Christmas had become something that was more imposed on me than a season of conscious choices. So let's walk into Christmas this year with eyes open to the possibility of new ways to celebrate Christmas. In the weeks to come, we'll look at a bunch of different topics, like the history of Christmas and how we got here. We'll take a little personal Christmas inventory so you can see how you've spent your past Christmases. We'll look at women and men and how often the genders view Christmas very differently. We'll look at our values and find the ones that are most meaningful for you at Christmas. Then we'll look at the 4 things that children really want for Christmas. After that, we will imagine the perfect fantasy Christmas. And then we'll go to plans and look at how we can bring some of the fantasies into reality for your Christmas. I hope you'll join me here each week as we explore these topics together. I'm looking forward to helping you find new ways to unplug the Christmas machine.